today we're gonna make a table out of toilet paper, tape, and a plate. So today, how to make a table is first step. You're gonna bend the sides like right here down on the plate, and how to label it, and then at the end you're going to decorate it. Now second, put the toilet paper roll on the bottom and flip the plate over. Third, put all the plates, all the tape pieces on the sides so it can steady the table stand. And then that's all you have to do, unless if you want to decorate it. Almost done. Now tape it one more side. And done. This is how you make a table. Thank you for watching. Bye.